how to find the serial number of the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to the watch face by pressing on the crown button here. Once you are back at the watch face, press on the crown button again to go into the app screen. And in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on General, then tap on About. In here, we scroll down and you'll be able to find the serial number of your Apple Watch 9. After, you can press on the crown button to return back to your watch face. Now on your iPhone, you can also find the serial number by going into the app library, then open up the watch application. In here, tap on My Watch, then we tap on General, then tap on About, and in here you'll be able to find the serial number as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.